the secret affiliate marketing strategy gurus don't want you to know. Affiliate marketing has become a cornerstone of digital entrepreneurship, promising attractive returns for those who master it. However, while many gurus offer advice on high-level strategies and flashy tactics, there's a secret that's often overlooked, a more grounded, practical approach that can deliver exceptional results. Today, we're going to uncover the top 10 hidden affiliate marketing strategies that could make all the difference in your efforts. Let's break them down from number 10 to number 1. 10. Prioritize long-term relationships over quick wins. One of the most overlooked strategies in affiliate marketing is the importance of building long-term relationships. Instead of focusing solely on quick sales, invest time in developing meaningful connections with your audience. Respond to comments, engage in discussions, and build trust. By nurturing these relationships, you create a loyal customer base that is more likely to make repeat purchases and recommend your products to others. This approach not only boosts your sales, but also enhances your credibility in the industry. 9. Utilize micro-influencers for targeted reach. While many affiliates aim to partner with big-name influencers, micro-influencers often offer better ROI. Micro-influencers, who typically have smaller but highly engaged audiences, can be more effective in driving conversions. Their followers often see them as more relatable and trustworthy. By collaborating with micro-influencers in your niche, you can tap into targeted communities and achieve higher engagement rates. Look for influencers who align with your brand values and have an authentic connection with their audience. 8. Leverage data-driven insights. In affiliate marketing, making decisions based on data is crucial for optimizing your performance and maximizing your returns. Leverage analytics tools to track and analyze key performance indicators, KPIs, such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and average order value. These insights help you understand which aspects of your marketing efforts are working and which need adjustment. For example, tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and affiliate network dashboards provide detailed reports on user behavior, traffic sources, and campaign performance. By analyzing this data, you can identify trends and patterns that inform your strategy. For instance, if you notice that a particular traffic source or type of content is generating higher conversions, you can allocate more resources to those areas. Conversely, if certain tactics are underperforming, you can pivot your strategy to focus on more effective approaches. Data-driven decisions help in optimizing your campaigns, reducing wasted spend, and improving overall profitability. 7. Build strong relationships with affiliate managers. Building and maintaining strong relationships with affiliate managers can provide significant advantages in the affiliate marketing space. Affiliate managers are key contacts within affiliate networks or companies, and having a good relationship with them can lead to better support, exclusive offers, and personalized insights. To build these relationships, communicate regularly and professionally with your affiliate managers. Keep them updated on your performance, share feedback, and ask for their advice on optimizing your campaigns. Many affiliate managers can provide valuable insights into upcoming promotions, high-converting offers, and best practices that are not publicly available. Additionally, showing appreciation for their support and being proactive in addressing any issues can strengthen your partnership. A good relationship with affiliate managers can lead to increased opportunities for collaboration, access to premium offers, and improved affiliate terms. 6. Invest in email marketing automation. Email marketing is a cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing, yet it's often underutilized by many affiliates. One key aspect that can significantly boost your results is email marketing automation. Automation allows you to send personalized, timely, and relevant emails to your subscribers without needing to manually send each message. This could include welcome emails, follow-ups, abandoned cart reminders, and promotional campaigns. The power of automation lies in its ability to maintain engagement with your audience over time. For instance, you can set up a series of automated emails to nurture new subscribers by providing them with valuable content and gradually introducing them to your affiliate offers. This helps in building trust and increasing the likelihood of conversions. By investing in robust email marketing tools such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign, you can create complex automation workflows that ensure your audience receives the right message at the right time, enhancing your chances of generating affiliate sales. 5. Analyze competitor strategies. Understanding what your competitors are doing can offer valuable insights into effective affiliate marketing strategies. By analyzing your competitors, you can identify what strategies they are using, what type of content they are producing, and how they engage with their audience. This process involves examining their websites, social media profiles, and marketing campaigns. Use tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and BuzzSumo to gather data on your competitors' top-performing content, keywords they are targeting, and their backlink profiles. This information can help you uncover gaps in their strategies that you can exploit. For example, if you notice that a competitor is getting a lot of traffic from a particular keyword or content type, you might decide to create similar but more valuable content. Additionally, observing their audience interactions can provide insights into what resonates with the target demographic, allowing you to tailor your own content and marketing efforts more effectively. 4. Create high-quality, evergreen content. Evergreen content refers to content that remains relevant and valuable over time. Unlike time-sensitive content, evergreen content continues to attract traffic and generate interest long after it's published. This type of content typically includes comprehensive guides, in-depth product reviews, how-to articles, and resource lists that address fundamental topics in your niche. High-quality, evergreen content serves as a long-term asset for your affiliate marketing efforts. It helps build authority and trust with your audience, providing consistent value that encourages them to return to your site. To create effective evergreen content, focus on thorough research, clear and engaging writing, and providing actionable insights. Regularly update your evergreen content to keep it relevant and accurate, ensuring it continues to drive traffic and conversions. 3. Optimize your landing pages for conversions. Landing pages are crucial in affiliate marketing, as they are often the final step before a user makes a purchase. A well-optimized landing page can significantly increase your conversion rates. Key elements to focus on include compelling headlines, clear calls to action, and an intuitive layout. Effective landing pages should provide a seamless user experience, guiding visitors toward taking the desired action with minimal friction. Test different variations of your landing pages through A/B testing to determine which elements perform best. Consider factors such as page load speed, mobile responsiveness, and the placement of your affiliate links. Use heat maps and user session recordings to understand how visitors interact with your landing pages and make data-driven adjustments to improve performance. 2. Build a strong personal brand. In affiliate marketing, your personal brand is a powerful tool for standing out in a crowded market. A strong personal brand helps establish your authority, build trust with your audience, and differentiate yourself from competitors. To build a compelling personal brand, focus on creating a consistent and authentic presence across all your platforms, including your website, social media, and email communications. Share your unique perspectives, experiences, and expertise to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Engage with your followers by responding to their comments, participating in discussions, and offering valuable insights. A well-defined personal brand helps attract more opportunities and can lead to higher engagement rates and affiliate sales. 1. Continuously test and optimize your strategy. Affiliate marketing is not a static field. It requires ongoing experimentation and optimization. What works today may not work tomorrow, so it's essential to continuously test and refine your strategies. Regularly review your performance metrics, such as conversion rates, click-through rates, and ROI, to identify areas for improvement. Implement A/B testing to evaluate different elements of your campaigns, including ad copy, landing page designs, and email sequences. Use analytics tools to track user behavior and gather insights on what resonates with your audience. Based on your findings, make data-driven adjustments to enhance your strategy. Staying flexible and proactive in testing and optimizing your approach ensures that you remain competitive and maximize your affiliate marketing success. Conclusion: affiliate marketing can be incredibly rewarding when approached with the right strategies. By focusing on long-term relationships, leveraging micro-influencers, targeting high-intent keywords, repurposing content, investing in email marketing automation, analyzing competitors, creating evergreen content, optimizing landing pages, building a strong personal brand, and continuously testing and optimizing your strategy, you can uncover hidden opportunities for success. These secrets are not often highlighted by mainstream gurus, but they can make a significant difference in your affiliate marketing efforts. Implementing these strategies will help you stay ahead of the curve and achieve greater results. If you found these insights helpful and want to learn more about affiliate marketing secrets, subscribe to our channel for regular updates and expert tips. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and happy marketing!